Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your order status on Best Buy. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. It will interest you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is, let's quickly hop into today's tutorial, which is how to check your order status on Best Buy. From this homepage, you'll like to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Hi Amanda, recently viewed, order status, and saved items. Go ahead and click on order status, and it's going to take you to the order status window. So now that we're here, go ahead and click on see all your past purchases. So that is coming up. So that's going to take you to this window where you have purchases. So you have purchases, service history, digital library, and you have easy replenish. So ensure that it is set to purchases. Now in this purchases tab, what you're going to find is the list of orders that you have made in Best Buy. So from this purchases tab, you're going to have to click the order number above the purchase items you want to track. So it means in this purchases tab, you're going to find all your orders, and just right on top of your orders, you're going to find your order number. So what you need to do is to click on the order number that is above the purchase item you want to track. And then on the order details page, so after clicking on the order item, the order number above the purchase item is going to take you to another window, which is the order details page. So on that order details page, go ahead and click on the track package button. Track package button, and it will take you to the package tracking page where you can see your shipping status details. So it starts from here. Once you get to here and show it set purchases, you're going to find your order that you want to track. Go ahead and click on the order number. And once you click on the order number, it's going to take you to the orders details page where you're going to find the track page button. Click on that and it's going to take you to the package tracking page where you can see shipping status details. So that's pretty much how you can check your order status on Best Buy. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.